So Inga, I'm the trustee of a UK resident trust, and I've just found out that one of my beneficiaries is moving to the US. Is there anything that I need to do or think about?
Yes, there are a few things you need to consider. First of all, the residency of a trust. Most likely the residency is not going to change, it's going to be still UK resident. Second step is to determine is whether it's grantor trust or non-grantor trust, because that helps us to understand how the distribution will be taxed on beneficiary.
What pointers are there for me?
So grantor trust, the settler of economic settler of a trust or grantor retains control of some assets within a trust. The simple thing is he has to be alive. Non-grantor trust is most likely the one grantor already died, or they gave up all the rights into the assets in the trust.
Okay, so in my case, the settlor has actually now died. The beneficiary would like me to make a distribution to help them with school fees. Would that count as a distribution?
Yes, school fees for beneficiary will be a distribution from the trust, and because it's for a non-grantor trust, most of the tax obligations for US falls on US beneficiary. Okay. Then they receive distribution. Trust is unlikely to need to file a US tax return because a beneficiary needs to file Form 3520. There are additional forms they may need to file, but it depends on the case. To correctly file that form, they may need some input from trustees. Just to note that trustee has no legal obligation in front of IRS to give that information, but in most scenarios, trustees are cooperative, they will try to help. So beneficiary has a choice between actual method and default method to file the form. And actual means that we need to look what happened in the trust, what income it generated, and what distribution consists of. So what we do, we help trustees to provide so-called foreign non-grantor trust beneficiary statement, which confirms it's foreign non-grantor trust and confirms what exactly a beneficiary received. So it helps them to correctly file the form. It also goes as an attachment to the form with their US tax return.
Right, so it sounds like I've got a bit of work to do. Now it sounds all a little bit complicated. Are you able to help?
Yes, we have a dedicated team in Blick Rothenberg to deal with cases, help trustees with statements. Also we do a lot of proactive planning, when and how much to distribute to US beneficiary as well.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much.